So our next tutorial is step 6, cheat engine tutorial 5, step 6. How to find pointers. Now, pointers are really tricky to find. This one is easy, but in the near future there's gonna be some that are, much more trickier and complicated. But I'm gonna show you as much as possible, to my knowledge, how to find pointers in step 6. So we have a value of 100. So again, they're giving us an exact value, so we don't have to look for it. Thank God. And to find this value, we're gonna use this button, change value. Now, while we look for the this value, you do not want to play with this button until the end. Okay, so this is the button, the only button that we want to use at this point. If you do, by mistake, click on this button while looking for this value and finding the value and all that stuff, if you click on this button, this value, the address that you find, will no longer, value of it will no longer match this value. Pretty much change the jump the value of that address to some other address, which is the pointer. Okay, so I hope you understood that. Next thing is to find the value 100. Okay, we're gonna go back to cheat engine, type in 100, first scan, get 43 hundredths. Now I'm gonna click on change value. Now I have 449. Right away I can see one of the values changed to 449, so I'm guessing that's the one. I'm just gonna go ahead and type in 49 on the value here, 449, type in next scan, and I get this one address. I'm gonna click on change value again, just to make sure that this value matches 457 with this 457 matches. That's good. Double click on it, and now what you have to do is find the what accesses this address. It says right here, we have to find what accesses this address. Okay, so right click on it, find and look for the option where it says find out what accesses this address, or find out what accesses this address. Click on that. New window opens up. I'm sure you've seen this before. It's empty. We have to click on change value again, so for something to show up here, our code. And I get 4 codes here. This might be something that, okay, let's try. I usually go for the last code here. I'm gonna click on it. If you double click on it, the new window opens up. It's called extra information window, and in this window says, well, you have to keep an eye on this code here, and especially under the parentheses. It says RAX. To me, that means nothing at this point. This is what we're looking for. This extra information here says the value of the pointer needed to find this address is probably 011C5400. This code right here, we have to type it into the value while our hex check is, check the hex box here. So first I'm gonna click on hex box, check it, delete everything that's in it, and then type this code into the hex value, which is 011C5400, and then scan, first scan, actually this is supposed to be first scan, so you have to first scan it, and I get one address for it, which is good so far. Now this address, actually, it's green. Yeah, it's green. So as long as it's green, when you're looking for the pointers, and you find the green address of something, of a hex, something like that, you on the right, usually on the right track. The green one is the last pointer that you're looking for, and at this point, I think I found the right pointer. Well, let's find out, see if I'm right or not. So next step is to manually add this address down here. How to do that? There's a button here that says add address manually. Okay, so I'm going to click on the add address manually, and then I'm going to type in this address numbers, pretty much. As you can see, the new window popped up, and then this new window, you have to click on pointer box, check on pointer box. You check on pointer box, this window extends, and this is where you have to type in this address that's above. Okay, since there's nothing here, there's nothing here, no numbers or anything, you're safe to leave this at 0. Now, there's going to be times where you're going to have to change this to a number or a letter or something. So this is why I keep pointing out this particular code here in the parentheses. You have to look for something. If there's nothing there, it's fine. If there's something there, then you'll see it in the future tutorials what I mean by looking for this. So right now I'm copying that address down here. That's a pointer. 100318730. Okay, now I'm safe to click OK on this. Why? Because usually I check this value here matches with this value, 681. So I'm good there. I thought I was gonna mess up something, but I didn't, so it came out good. Click OK. As you can see, the pointer is up now, and the value of the pointer is the same as this value. For some reason it's fun. Yeah, okay. So the next thing, let's find out what's the next step that we have to do to get to have this next button show up. Supposed to change it to 5,000. The value of the pointer, supposed to change it to 5,000, freeze it, and then click on change pointer, and if everything went well, then the next button will show up. Okay, let's do that. Double click on value of the pointer, change it to 5,000. Okay, freeze it. Now don't forget to freeze it Once you freeze it, then go back and click on change pointer, which is the last step that you want to do, and wait for a few seconds, and there you go. Next button is up. We can proceed to the next step. Thank you for watching. Cheat Engine Tutorial 5, Step 6. Come back for the Tutorial 7, Step 7.